Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the social share element. The social share element allows you to add sharing buttons on the page. Encourage the visitors to share the content effortlessly across various social media platforms. Here I have a social share element on the page. Let's walk through the options the social share element has to offer. First, we have share URL. You can make the element to share the current page or a custom page. For example, if I want to share this page, you can make it to share in a pop-up, in a new tab, or in the current page. The share text is the default content of the share post. For example, if you share to Facebook, the default post content will be "Check out my awesome shop." Then you can enable or disable Facebook. Adjust background color for the Facebook share button. Similarly for Twitter, pictures, LinkedIn, and email. You can align the element to the left, to center, or to the right. You can show or hide the labels. Adjust the color, font size, the distance between the buttons, and button border radius. Here on the live page, I can click on the Facebook share button and it opens a pop-up so I can share the current page. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.